Mount the telescope. Exploring the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific phrase that you might come across, especially if you're interested in astronomy or photography. We'll be exploring what it means to mount the telescope. This phrase might sound straightforward, but there's a bit more to it that can help you understand English context and usage better. Let's get started. The phrase, mount the telescope, is made up of two key parts, mount and the telescope. To mount something means to set up or fix it securely in position. When we talk about the telescope, we're referring to a device used to observe distant objects, like stars or planets. So, putting it all together, to mount the telescope means to set up the telescope in a secure position so that it can be used for observation. This might involve attaching it to a tripod or a stable base, ensuring that it's adjusted correctly for viewing. Understanding this phrase is crucial for a couple of reasons. First, it's a great example of how English uses the verb mount in different contexts, not just related to technology or devices but also in phrases like mount a campaign or mount a photo. Each use of mount involves setting up or preparing something for a specific purpose. Second, it highlights the precision needed in English when talking about activities or instructions. Knowing the exact meaning of phrases like mount the telescope can be incredibly helpful if you're following instructions, participating in a hobby, or even when you're trying to explain something you need help with. Let's look at a few examples to see how this phrase might be used in real life. Before we can start stargazing, we need to mount the telescope on the tripod. The manual says to carefully mount the telescope to avoid any damage. I'm having trouble with this step. Can you show me how to mount the telescope correctly? These examples show the phrase in action, helping you understand how it might appear in instructions or everyday conversations. And there you have it. We hope this exploration of the phrase, mount the telescope, has been enlightening. Remember, understanding the nuances of English phrases can greatly improve your fluency and comprehension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.